Job number one is make a template of this hole so we can screw a bit of sheet metal in there to fill that hole in, and then the tank just go on in the centre there.
Jesus, gentle.
That's alright, we're welding it back up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Yeah, it's fine. But the reason we got it out is to cut all this extra weight that we don't need.
Yeah, we need some more weight reduction.
Yeah.
That's full on, eh?
Yeah, we don't need that. What we're doing with it.
I love how it's just boogered to each other. I mean, it's actually not even boogered. It's actually pretty decent stick welds on it.
Yeah.
But
I'm gonna enjoy catching fire to all the leaves with the pliers. But
yeah, no, might brush those out of the way first.
No. Fire.
Okay. I think the fire brigade's pretty close by. 1 kilometre to be exact.
That's fine. There's plenty of time.
So this is the first donated part, is it, Tom?
Sure.
It is
I wouldn't say it's donated.
VK 6-cylinder radiator.
Oh, perfect.
And it's tuck and fit. That's actually...
What's wrong with you?
Bugs in the eyes.
Okay.
It is. Do we really need the front subfront?
No, I suppose not. I just don't know if we're going to be able to cut enough out of it to get it low enough, but that's the other problem.
Does the bonnet close?
No. I don't even need to close it to tell you that.
Come on.
Because the one that's normally dunk, dunk, approximately.
What was that? Oh. Back to the drawing board then, Sax.
Narrower.
eBay special.
Probably should have run a tape measure.
I did measure it for you too.
Oh, no. I didn't make all the not that right.
$159 for the cheapest one. 3-row too. Perfect. Yep. Probably. All right, that's that job off the list. What's next, Sax?
Right, well, let's go to the beautiful car. Job number one is make a template of this hole so we can screw a bit of sheet metal in there to fill that hole in, and then the tank just go on in the centre there.
Do we need to fill the hole in?
I mean, we probably don't, but
We can put the sump tank down the hole.
yeah, but we could also shape a bit of metal. It doesn't need to be flat.
It doesn't need to be perfect either.
What do you mean? This is a fine race car machine.
It's a flat piece of metal. It's about
Yeah, but we might put like a little
torso
for the tank.
by torso. Go backwards, because that's the way the fuel's going. Or sideys, because the car's going to be going.
I wasn't thinking about the
sideways.
sump side of things. I was just thinking that,
Oh,
it
come
needed to be
on,
centre.
mate.
And we want it as far back as possible so when you do get sideways it starts staying flat.
Well, it's going that way, so you want it to the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do we want this? Do we want to put the sump of the tank there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we need a flat piece.
No, because the tank's going to sit flat. You need to sit flat low.
Yeah.
Alright.
We need to fill the hole, but
Get the ram board out.
Yeah.
Tempo.
yeah, that's a flat.
Not flat.
They are flat. The flange is flat.
Show us. What angle's that kid?
Ah, 65 degrees.
Righto. We're going with that.
Okay, maybe I'll...
Hold on, I'll mount it for you.
Don't ruin the tank.
You want to explain the tank and where you got it from?
I can't actually remember where I got the tank from, to be honest.
Come out of your race car bed?
No. It got given to me for another race car project that we never actually started.
Oh. Yeah, and that whole series is now defunct.
Yeah, anyway, so I think it's like an old boat tank. Anyway, I think. I'm not sure. Anyway, yeah, something like that.
So you're going fittings out that side.
Fittings out that side, because
What side's the carbon?
I mean, we can put it whatever
But
side,
the fuel pumps, that's the other side. Oh, yeah.
but the track's going that way, so it might help the fuel go that way.
Yeah. Race car.
Yeah.
Also, with how low you want to run it, are we better to run the fuel line through the cab? Isn't that where it's supposed to run? Normally they run under the car.
No, we'll put it under the car.
Factory fuel line's still there.
Oh, it's on that side, though.
Nah, leave it the way it is. We'll just have a rubber hose that goes around it. Snakes it.
Yeah.
Once it's under pressure, problems will be solved.
1 hour later.
So we've got this ram board here.
What is ram board and why do you use that?
Ram
The
board.
measurements off your torso, remember?
Ram board is actually a floor protection that we use, but it's
In the building game.
yeah. How am I meant to explain it if I'm under the car?
Hurry up.
Is that very nice?
Up at the front.
Hang on, 1 sec, needs to go over. Stop trying to hold my hand.
Push the back corner. Yep, right there.
Three.
So you want a plus 20? Mount from either side.
Yeah, plus 30. Because there's a bit there.
Oh, he said
Plus-
3.
Plus 30.
I didn't see the 0.
Yeah, because I just had to double check my measurement. That's why I went.
Oh,
Like that.
Yeah, cool. Anyway, back to explain what ram board is. It's actually a floor protection used to put down on, like, say, a vinyl floor,
Guard, vapor cure.
so you don't damage a new floor. But we use it for templates because it's
Well, it's pretty stiff. It actually acts like the metal does most of the time for us. This looks like about 30 mil.
and they come in what 30-minute rolls.
I think my roll's like 150.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can get a couple of lengths.
So-
I'm not sure. I've never actually paid attention. I just go to Bunnings, buy the biggest roll possible, and walk out.
You can chop the gills and do it.
You meant to pay for it before you walk out, mate.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bunnings really expensive.
So what we're doing, folks, is going 2 bits of 50 by 50 RHS.
You're gonna weld it in?
Nah, not bolt it.
Not weld. Yeah, not weld. I like
Yeah. And then just 2 straps over the top. Job done.
Cool. And then we're going to try and use the original field.
Yeah. So
It's gonna run
Nah,
10
we'll
metres
just
of
10 metres of 3/8 flexi.
3/8 flexi. Perfect.
yeah.
That can run drywall.
So because it's a race car, we got aluminium tube.
Yep. Why?
Because it's a race car.
It's light.
That was implied. Our viewers aren't dummies.
Whoa, never explained that.
Well, I don't know. Anyway,
Explain how you're going to mount this up.
so very basic. Going to cut one end of a 45, and then the other end of a 45. Drill 2 holes, and that will mount to the floor. Yeah, and that will mount to the floor, and then you're going to cut some aluminium sheet metal and fold into strips that we're going to bolt to the aluminium tube, probably with nutserts.
Yep.
So let's get to that. Lock that up, will you? Rub your penis on that. Anyone would have thought you would have bought a dual crash from Hare Forbes by now.
Pretty rude considering it's right there, but it's going to be for sale.
Where's that sample bolt? Let me put it back over there. Oh, look at that, mint.
Go up on the side.
Yeah,
Get the nutserts and all.
Yeah, it's almost
Out anyway.
2 mint.
Now, if you're lucky, you might be able to flip that bit of tube over.
Oh.
And do the other side.
That's the plan. I'll get the other side done first.
We got plenty. Hey,
Or is it gonna? It might hit that. See. Sort of. A little more. There it is.
Can't see it from my house.
You need the bike a bit closer. Do you actually want the mic or what? I've got it.
No, you just hold it for me, it'll be fine. One more.
Perfect. Still looks good here.
Close enough's good enough.
Just squint your eyes a bit.
So we've made some straps. So we measured up the tank. It was 425 on the inside. We made it 200 down, and then whatever was left is what we didn't check feed at. So Saxon's got his bars made and drilled.
Something like that. Yeah.
Good enough.
Actually put them in without cross threading them.
Yeah.
They should have done that pretty easy, mate.
Yeah, this one made pretty good.
Oh, quick draw, eh?
I mean, we could do a take two on these straps.
No, it looks mint. That's got plenty of tension.
Painting number one is not great.
It needs tension on it.
You can probably stop doing that up now. Hang on. I think it's got it.
Yeah. Where's your hammer? Hammer system.
As he puts another turn on it. Oh!
It wasn't tight. Now it's square. Look how much better that is. So we're just getting the tank strapped all nice and square. As you can see, there's a bit of clearance on this for tension.
The bolt pulls it down.
It's not. It really isn't.
It's tension, but
My side's alright.
on is on. My side's flush.
We could have spun them around.
They probably weren't meant to be spun around or something stupid like that.
We didn't label them.
Who didn't label them?
You didn't.
That wasn't my job.
Yeah.
I was just putting
You're
the panel
super, I
on
think.
them.
You were writing all the stuff, but didn't write left or right, top or bottom.
I didn't mark them, but remember? That was your job.
No. Anyway, false news. They're strapped.
Yeah, they're on. Just give it a shake test.
You might side a couple more turns.
There's no more turns to give it.
I don't know.
You have to pull the nuts out clean out of the tube.
That's perfect. You can remake it if you want. We got enough gills.
We don't have time for that.
We got time to dimple dime by the power.
Gonna lose the shot.
Yeah, alright. We'll put
I'll dimple dime for him now. No.
What if
I'll
you-
sort. No. It's all right.
I want to
Tax.
put the vote to the
I'll
It would
dimple
look way
dime.
much more better. If it had dimple dyes in it. Why is it on one side?
Because I had to write dimpled.
And like you could have like tapered them.
Come on, let's go mount it.
Yeah, but then you're not going to be able to read your fucking writing.
Yeah, just put it there.
What's it measure out there? I mean, if you're going to do that, spin it the other way.
Why?
Do you not know how gravity works? The fuel's not going to run to the front of the tank.
I got that.
Huh?
The fuel's not going to run to the front of the tank.
Car squats. Fuel goes to the
It's
back.
going to be that
Have you
fucking
ever seen a
low.
drag car?
One
Do
is
they
go-
go backwards?
One is going to be going sideways, hopefully.
Yeah, it's
And
still
two-
going to the front of the tank. We're not going to do the whole thing in reverse.
And two,
We'll be fine trying reverse one.
Mount it that way.
yeah.
Spin around.
Why would you spin around?
Spin it round.
We can turn these around.
Yeah, which way you want to go? That way.
Some of that.
Should offset me out.
No.
Tom, can you explain to the viewers why the sump needs to go at the back?
Gravity. I think that about covers it.
Can you explain to Zach why the sump needs to go at the back?
It doesn't need to go at the back and go to the side like I was going to fucking out. Like, right. Fucking there.
We can't do that because Tom's not got his full panel in.
Well, my panel doesn't have provisions for a step in it.
Well, luckily we're fucking, when I said we could make a little step.
Well, that wasn't counted before the flat pad.
Yeah, it's made out of 3 layers. What do you think I'm going to put a step in with?
I don't know. I heard you got it shape of that.
Just offset.
Tell you what, let's just put it that way for tonight, and I'll spin those around in the middle. You just put it nice and centre.
So while we're in the boot, viewers, we run the fuel lines, or one fuel line, maybe to the original. The original one's over there.
Yeah, Zach said it's all blocked up.
Anyway, so that's that plan, and then we're gonna do.
Hang on. That explains the fuel lines. Why have you got this?
That's a vent hole.
Oh,
I don't know why there's a hole there, right?
leave it as is.
There's just a hole there.
So what else are we doing in the boot?
Well, so you don't know this because you weren't part of the brainstorming of the race car, but we're putting boot pins in it.
Yeah.
So we're probably going to go 2 big boot pins.
No. From these.
No, because that goes to about there.
Yeah.
We won't get a nice drill hole.
No, we'll go all the way up through the inside there and out to the top.
I was going to go to the top. I was going to go to the rail. Strength.
Yeah, but this rail's different.
Yeah, that's what you go real close. Doesn't matter. They're going to be adjustable. Why are you going to be
Gotta be
difficult?
what?
Adjustable. What are you going to be difficult?
Oh, sorry.
Anyway, that's pretty much what we're doing for the boot.
Yep.
And then maybe just drill some speed holes everywhere.
In this perfectly good AA shell.
It's actually pretty good.
It's actually a really good shell. It's almost bad. I feel bad cutting it up, but I also don't.
We're not going to cut up too much.
There's holes everywhere.
Just a couple of speed holes to match, like
What's
bang,
that?
bang,
What's
bang.
that?
Next job.
Yeah.
Well, Tom's got to finish putting the plate in the floor.
I actually run the band, so it's a bit like you.
Then the next job after that, we'll see if we can get the motor for it running.
Thanks for watching Backyard Builds. See you again next week.